This mic system is incredible. This is the Hollyland Lark M2 mic system, and it comes with everything you'll ever need in the box. Firstly, you get 2 transmitters that fit nicely into this portable charging case. You also get 3 receivers, 1 for your camera and 2 for your smartphone, supporting both USB-C and lightning connections. You also get these 2 magnets that live on the back of the transmitters, and they also fit snug into the charging case, which is great for portability. It just means wherever you are, you can just pull them out the case, attach them to your top easily and start recording straight away. You also get a neck strap and a clip, both with magnetic attachments, and it just means it gives you 3 different ways to attach this microphone based on your shooting scenario. Also included in the box are 2 windshields, 3.5mm TRS connector for your camera, a USB-C charging cable, and a pouch to carry everything in. Now it's worth mentioning that Hollyland actually offer 4 variations of the Lark M2 mics. The one I've got here is the combo version, but they also offer a version just for cameras, a version for phones with USB-C connectors, and phones for lightning connectors. Of course, you pick up the one that you need for your requirements, and they all come at varying prices. Now this is the camera transmitter. It has an on and off button, a pairing button, a clip to attach to the top of your camera, a TRS connection port, and a volume controller, which is actually very tactile. Now, if you're planning to use these mics with your smartphone, then you get these plug and play receivers, which are powered by your phone directly, so you don't have to worry about charging them. And they also have USB ports that allow power pass through. That means you can actually connect a power bank if you're filming on the go. You don't have to worry about interrupting your recording in order to charge your phone. Now the transmitters are very small in size. They're so small in fact that they're the size of a coin, and they only weigh 9 grams. And that means you can carry them around with you easily. And also I found that when you attach them to your top, they don't actually pull down on your top like other mics might. The small form factor of these mics doesn't mean that they compromise on quality at all, because they sample at a rate of 48 kilohertz per second, and they capture 24 bits of data per sample. They also have a range of 300 meters. And if you don't know what any of that means, it's okay, because I've recorded this entire video using this mic system, so you can tell me what you think of the quality in the comments below. This mic system gets even better because you can activate noise cancelling by pressing the yellow button either on the transmitter or the receiver. I'm standing next to one of the lights that I use in my studio, and you can probably hear the fan, and you can see that the transmitter has got a blue light on it, which means noise cancelling is not activated. It's off. Let's activate it. And now it's gone green. You can probably already hear the difference. Now let's do another test with this portable hoover. I'm going to turn it on. Noise cancelling is off at the moment. Let's see how it sounds. Let's turn noise cancelling on. Can you see, it just makes such a big difference. The noise cancelling feature is probably my favorite feature on these mics. It's so easy to activate, and if you're filming outside, it removes any of the unwanted background noise from cars driving by or people talking behind you. And if you're indoors, any kids crying in the background, any noises coming from appliances are completely removed, giving you crisp audio every time. The Lark M2 system will give you up to 40 hours of record time when paired with the charging case, which is absolutely phenomenal. And you can pair it with the Lark Sound app to give you a bit more control over some of the features like volume control and noise cancelling, which is also great. Overall, I think it's a fantastic mic system, definitely worth every penny. And if you're interested, there'll be a link in my bio. Peace.